Welcome to today's class. Today we will discuss some MCQs on chapter reproduction in lower and higher animals. So, in some previous videos, we have discussed 50 MCQs on this chapter, and some MCQs we will discuss today. So, MCQ number 51, which is display on your screen, is during oogenesis, each diploid cell produce. Option A is 4 functional eggs. Option B is 2 functional eggs and 2 polar bodies. Option C is 1 functional egg and 3 polar bodies, and option D is 4 functional polar bodies. So, correct answer is option C, 1 functional egg and 3 polar bodies, because after meiosis 4 cells are formed, out of which 1 is functional egg and remaining 3 cells are polar bodies. Question number 52. In oogenesis, haploid egg is fertilized by sperm at which stage? Option A is primary oocyte, option B is secondary oocyte, option C is oogonium, and option D is ovum. So, correct option is option B, that is secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte is released from Graafian follicle at the time of ovulation, and then it get fertilized by sperm, and secondary oocyte is already haploid. Question number 53. Layers of an ovum from outside to inside is corona radiata, zona pellucida, and white line membrane. Zona pellucida, corona radiata, and white line membrane. Option C, white line membrane, zona pellucida, and corona radiata. Option D, zona pellucida, white line membrane, and corona radiata. So, option A is correct option. Outermost layer is formed by cells, that is corona radiata. Then below the corona radiata, zona pellucida is present, and then the innermost membrane, that is the egg membrane, and it is called as white line membrane. So, option A is correct answer. Then question number 54. Which part of the ovum in mammals act as an endocrine gland after ovulation? So, option A is stroma, option B is germinal epithelium, option C is white line membrane, and option D is Graafian follicle. So, the correct answer is Graafian follicle, because Graafian follicle act as a endocrine structure, because Graafian follicle contain egg as well as Graafian follicle release hormone estrogen. So, Graafian follicle is the part in the mammalian ovary which act as an endocrine gland after ovulation. So, after ovulation, empty Graafian follicle is called as the carpus luteum, and it secretes hormone progesterone. Question number 55. The sex of fetus will be decided at option A is fertilization by male gamete, option B is implantation, option C is fertilization by female gamete, option D is the start of cleavage. So, option A is correct answer, because male gamete contain 2 sex chromosomes and 2 dissimilar sex chromosomes, and that is X and Y. Next question, question number 56. What is true about cleavage in the fertilized egg in human? So, option A is it starts while egg is in fallopian tube. B. It starts when the egg reaches the uterus. C. It is meroblastic. Option D. It is identical to the normal mitosis. So the correct answer is option A. Correct answer is option A, and that is it starts while the egg is in fallopian tube. Question number 57. Question number 57. Cleavage differs from mitosis in lacking. Option A is synthetic phase. Option B is growth phase. Option C is both A and B, and option D is none of these. So the correct answer is option B, that is growth phase. Cleavage differ from mitosis in lacking growth phase, because in the cleavage is the rapid mitotic division in which there is no growth phase between two successive divisions, and size of cells becomes smaller and smaller as cleavage proceeds. Question number 58. The solid mass of 8 to 16 cells formed from zygote after successive mitotic divisions is called. Option A is blastula, option B is gastrula, option C is morula, and option D is none of these. So the solid mass of cell is called as morula. So option C is correct answer. Question number 59. Implantation takes place after of fertilization. Option A is 5 days, option C is option B is 6 days, option B is 6 days, and option C is 7 days. So correct option is C, that is implantation takes place after 7 days of fertilization. Then question number 60. Structure connecting the fetus to the placenta is. Option A is umbilical cord, option B is amnion, option C is yolk sac, and option D is chorion. So correct answer is option A, umbilical cord. Question number 61. Which of the following hormones is not a secretory product of human placenta? So option A is human chorionic gonadotropin, option B is prolactin, option C is estrogen, and option D is progesterone. So which of the following hormone is not secretory product of human placenta? So the correct option is option B, that is prolactin, because prolactin hormone is secreted by anterior lobe of pituitary, and rest of the three hormones, human chorionic gonadotropin, estrogen, and progesterone are secreted by placenta. Question number 62. Urine test during pregnancy determines the presence of. Option A is human chorionic gonadotropin hormone, option B is estrogen, option C is progesterone, and option D is luteinizing hormone. So the correct option is option A, human chorionic gonadotropin hormone.